Hey everyone. So this I actually had in mind to do this way earlier. The project that I'm doing up in Maryland, the three bathroom renovation. So there are a few things that I found out, a few things that I should have done. I'm gonna make a catalog of that. Oh, a pretty extensive catalog. I'm gonna go in depth, and I'm gonna put everything that I found out, everything that I know, everything that I figured out into a a YouTube video, and I'm gonna post that. And whoever is able to check it out, let me know what you think. If there's other things that I've missed, let me know as well, because I'm aspiring to be a professional, but there's things that even the pros need to figure out every once in a while. So I'm not gonna put myself in the 100% pro category, because then it'd be, what's the word, facetious. If I'm using it right, let me know. If I'm not, I'll pull out a dictionary. I don't care. But yes, that's essentially the point. I'm going to go in depth, every little piece of drywall or whatever that I turned over. I'm going to make a catalog of that, and I'm going to talk about it. It's either going to be a video with voiceover, or pictures with voiceover, or a video showing exactly what I recorded, and a voice note or something in the background as well, just to highlight the things, highlight some of the other things that you need to look out for whenever you're in that process of building out your basement or your bathroom or whatever it is yourself. So stay tuned for that, and I'll have that out shortly. All right, peace.